Cash right here in the 254. Moving on swiftly, SMARC is here. If you don't know what SMARC is, it means you're not a member. That is the Stingy Men Association of Kenya, okay? I'm saying Association of Kenya because this association began in Zambia, then later on went to Nigeria. So Stingy Men Association is, it started as a joke. Started in Zambia, where a man by the name Leonard Mwembe was asked for money by his wife. So he decided, you know what, I'm not going to give you money, and he decided to beat up his wife. So when they went to the court proceedings, of course he got his punishment and everything, but then it formed an association where men decided that we're not going to give our girlfriends or any women money for upkeep. So it became a big sensation, but now people are just making it a parody. It became really famous this week in Kenya, but it landed in Nigeria, where Don Jazzy seems to have taken over the mantle. Ivy, when you hear Stingy Men Association and it having been launched in Kenya, what do you think about it and how does it make you feel?
First of all, I cannot relate. Second of all, I cannot relate. Second of all, you know, I think it's, guys are doing it for fun because at the end of the day, some men may want to run with the movement, but ukweli ni munapeana pesa ya fare, munapelekana lunch, munatumiana pesa ya upkeep. So muache kupiga kelele za internet.
So unasema fare watu wanatuma. So na
fare watu wanatuma.
So hivi fare mnakula? Unakula fare ile?
Mimi sikuli fare. Mimi kaida nimesema tu, I do not associate. I do not understand the struggle.
You don't understand the struggle. Sefa, is it true that stingy men are just stingy or they're broke?
Hivi kwanza unakula fare na hiyo si fare.
I have receipts.
It's very good that people are starting to notice us. The other days, you just make fun of us in the men's conference, claiming that it's just a thing we create in our minds and we go for an imaginary conference. But this time, you're talking about us all over the world. You've realized that we exist. And we have this new movement. And if you've seen our motto, as it says, it's let me see what I can do about it.
Let me see what I can do.
That is our motto. And that is actually just a motto that is imeomoka. It's an omokaed version of kuna deal fulani na gojea mahali ikivana nitakusort. So but this is a good way to start the year in a light way. Yes. I feel like people have received it very well. Even the ladies are enjoying whatever is going on because people are showing their creativity, and we appreciate the creativity in Kenya, because actually it's in Kenya where we've seen it take a more dramatic, prominent form and more dramatic and funny form. So we appreciate that, but we condemn the start. We condemn how it started. It started by a guy beating up the wife, and this is very, very wrong. We condemn that.
We condemn that.
But the men's, the stingy men, we stand together. Viva Stingy Men. We move forward. Nothing can stop us. Let's see what we can do about it.
It's actually become a big sensation, and so many Kenyans decided to join in. You saw the ID cards running, and guess what? There's an app on Play Store, which is Stingy Men Association. If you go there, it has more than 10,000 subscribers and people who 10,000 downloads for that matter. I know Sefa has it. But if you're out there, does it mean you're stingy or broke? Because Ivy, according to statistics that was released in the year 2019, it says that only 2.9% of the employed earn 100,000 shillings and above. So are people broke or they're just stingy? Because there's a big difference. Because sometimes you want to give, but you're broke. And then people think that you're stingy. Stingy means you have amassed, you have enough, but you're just not going to give it out.
I think about just economical. You know, it doesn't make sense for you to give out everything that you have simply because you love this person. You can give the small. So makosa ni mtu anapatiwa kidogo anasema uchali ni stingy. Pokea tu hiyo kidogo and enjoy it.
Okay, moving on swiftly. Let me take you to Uganda. It's a fully condition. If you go to Uganda right now, there's an electoral process going on. It was quite